The 2020 UEFA European Football Championship, commonly referred to as UEFA Euro 2020 or simply Euro 2020, is scheduled to be the 16th UEFA European Championship, the quadrennial international men's football championship of Europe organized by the Union of European Football Associations. The tournament, to be held in 11 cities in 11 UEFA countries, was originally scheduled to take place from the 12th of June to the 12th of July 2020. The tournament was postponed by a year due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Europe, and rescheduled for the 11th of June to the 11th of July 2021. The competition was postponed in order to reduce pressure on the public services in affected countries and to allow time for the completion of domestic leagues that had been suspended. The tournament will still retain the name UEFA Euro 2020. UEFA President Michel Platini said the tournament is being hosted in several nations is a romantic, one-off event to celebrate the 60th birthday of the European Championship competition. Having the largest capacity of any of the stadiums entered for the competition, Wembley Stadium in London is scheduled to host the semi-finals and final for the second time, having done so before at the 1996 tournament in the stadium's former incarnation. The Stadio Olimpico in Rome was chosen to host the opening game, involving Turkey and hosts Italy. Originally to be played at 13 venues, 2 hosts were later removed. Brussels in December 2017 due to delays with the building of the Euro Stadium, and Dublin in April 2021 as there was no guarantee for spectators to attend. Spain also changed their host city from Bilbao to Seville to allow an audience at matches. Portugal are the defending champions, having won the 2016 competition. For the first time, the video assistant referee system will be used at the UEFA European Championship. While some countries had already expressed an interest in bidding to host the tournament, then UEFA President Michel Platini suggested at a press conference on the 30th of June 2012, a day before the UEFA Euro 2012 final, that instead of having one host country, the tournament could be spread over 12 or 13 cities across the continent. At the time, UEFA already used a similar system for the UEFA European Under-17 Championships Elite Round, where each of the 7 groups is hosted by a different country. On the 6th of December 2012, UEFA announced the tournament would be held in multiple cities across Europe to mark the 60th anniversary of the tournament. The selection of the host cities did not guarantee an automatic qualifying berth to the national team of that country. UEFA reasoned that the pan-European staging of the tournament was the logical decision at a time of financial difficulty across Europe. Reaction to UEFA's plan was mixed across Europe. Critics have cited the expanded format and its associated additional costs as the decisive factor, for only one nation having put forward a serious bid. The final list of bids was published by UEFA on the 26th of April 2014, with a decision on the hosts being made by the UEFA Executive Committee on the 19th of September 2014. There were 2 bids for the finals package and 19 bids for the standard package. Brussels, marked with red, were initially selected but removed from the list of venues by UEFA on the 7th of December 2017. The Republic of Ireland, marked in red, were initially selected but removed from the list of venues by UEFA on the 23rd of April 2021. On the same day, UEFA also announced the matches in Spain would be moved from Bilbao to Seville. In early 2020, the pandemic in Europe of COVID-19 raised concerns regarding its potential impact on players, staff and visitors to the 12 host cities of the tournament. At the UEFA Congress in early March, UEFA President Alexander Ceferin said the organization was confident that the situation could be dealt with, while General Secretary Theodore Theodoridis stated that UEFA was maintaining contact with the World Health Organization and national governments regarding the coronavirus. The impact on football grew later that month, as numerous domestic and UEFA competition matches began taking place behind closed doors. By the 13th of March 2020, upcoming UEFA competition fixtures were postponed, while major European leagues were suspended, including the Bundesliga, La Liga, League One, Premier League and Serie A. UEFA held a video conference on the 17th of March 2020 with representatives of its 55 member associations, along with a FIF Pro representative and the boards of the European Club Association and European leagues, to discuss the response to the outbreak for domestic and European competitions, including Euro 2020. At the meeting, UEFA announced that the tournament would be postponed to the following year, proposing that it take place from the 11th of June to the 11th of July 2021. The postponement allowed for pressure to be reduced on the public services in affected countries, while also providing space in the calendar for domestic European leagues that had been suspended to complete their seasons. On T.